Hello, future graduate! Kung international student ka dito sa Canada at patapos ka na sa college or non-university program mo this December, pag-usapan natin ang Post-Graduation Work Permit or PGWP and the latest updates you need to know. Ano nga ba ang PGWP? PGWP is an open work permit that lets you work for any employer in Canada after graduation. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain valuable Canadian work experience, which can also pave the way to permanent residence down the line. Paano ba mag-qualify to apply for a PGWP? Here are the key requirements. Dapat ang program na matatapos mo ay at least 8 months long. Yung school kung saan ka gagraduate must be a designated learning institution or DLI, and you must have maintained full-time status during your program except for your final semester where part-time is okay. Kailangan din mag-apply ka ng PGWP mo within 180 days of completing your program. Your study permit must also have been valid at some point during those 180 days. Ito bago to. Starting November 1, 2024, new language proficiency requirements have been introduced para sa mga PGWP applicants na graduate ng certificate or diploma courses. You must demonstrate efficiency in English or French at the minimum level of Canadian Language Benchmark or CLB 5 in all 4 language abilities: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Ang validity ng PGWP mo depends on the length of your program. So if ang program mo ay 8 months to less than 2 years, your PGWP will be valid for the same length as your program. If 2 years or longer siya, you will receive a 3-year PGWP. Here's a tip. If you completed multiple programs back-to-back, you might be able to combine them for a longer permit. So, kailan ka ba dapat mag-apply? As soon as you receive your completion letter or final transcript. Apply ka na agad. If your study permit expires before you apply, don't worry. You can restore your status while applying for the PGWP. And here's another tip. May options din to renew your temporary status para hindi ka mawala ng status dito sa Canada. Paano? Well, let's talk about it. Don't hesitate to reach out and I'll help you figure out the best strategy for your situation. Ito importante. You have 180 days from the day you finish your program to submit your PGWP application. So, mark your calendars and get those documents ready. But why wait? Gawin mo na agad if you need to continue working. Pero kung hindi ka pa nagtatrabaho or naghahanap ka pa lang ng trabaho, waiting can be an asset too. Baka better na sagarin mo ang deadline mo to buy you more time here in Canada. Ito importante din, Frenny. Make sure hindi mapaso ang status mo dito sa Canada, ha? All right, that's your quick guide and tips to qualifying for the PGWP as a college graduate this December. If you have any questions or need assistance, give us a call. 1-877-5-ACES for you or 1-877-522-3748. Congratulations on your upcoming graduation, my friend. You've got this. See you soon and happy holidays in advance.